Welcome to Cooking with Taylor. Today we're making scary cupcakes. Boom! Happy Halloween! So today we're pouring this in first. Just dab it in. Yep. And then we're pouring the eggs in. So pour the eggs in now.
3 eggs.
Yep. And then which one?
Half cup of oil.
Yep. Still going. Half cup. And then I'm gonna do the stirring.
And then 1 cup of water.
And you're gonna do half of it. Okay. Then stir. It looks gross when we stir.
Taylor, why don't you tell them while Tyler's stirring about the icing?
We're pouring in special icing. Yeah, this icing is really special. It's because
What color is it, do you think?
green. And also, we're gonna put eyes that we can eat and sprinkles on the cupcakes. And it's gonna be so cool. But we just decided to say scary cupcakes instead of Halloween cupcakes.
Yep. So we're gonna get our oven set to 350.
Look how good I am doing.
So we're gonna let Tyler stir and then we'll show you how to put it in your cupcake pan. Be right back.
Look how good I'm doing.
Okay, now we're gonna fill our cupcake.
We gotta got it started. Okay, this is how much we get. And then we pour it. Right. Now we pour it right in the middle. Don't smush it down. It's okay if you get some on your hands. Just
Go to the next one, get some more.
more. And then pour it. Do it like that. And pour it right in the middle. And then we do it again. That's not all the way to the top of it. Yep, good. More. He's gonna start and then I'll finish. No.
Two more.
Mine. No, I said you start yours, like all the things. Then I finish mine. That's what I think. Okay, pour it right in the middle. 1 more to go. I think that one's better than mine. Wait, I got a little
Do the
more
next
in
one
this
before you drip everywhere. Keep going. Oh, that looks good. All right.
Next.
All right, now.
Let's pause the video real quick.
That's okay. We'll just come to Sis's step. All right.
Will
That's how you do
Mom,
it.
will you just tell me when it's my part again?
You gonna leave us?
Yeah. Okay. Go play.
Okay.
Almost done. Okay. This is covered in chocolate.
All right. Now we're gonna put them in the oven at 350 and bake for about 19 to 23 minutes. We'll see you guys soon.
Ooh. Welcome back. We're icing our cupcakes.
Okay.
So those are the
Yep, so what we've done is we have warmed up our icing just a little bit, maybe like 15-20 seconds, so that it's a little bit easier to ice so we won't mess up our cupcakes. So simply for kids, I find this easier. Just get a little bit on the spoon, put it on top, and then just use the spoon to spread it around. You can do it fancier if you want, kind of depends on the age of your kiddos, but this I find a little bit easier. And it's not tearing up the cupcakes so much by trying to spread it. We're just putting a little bit on top and then putting our sprinkles and eyeballs and spreading it around. These are gonna be our Halloween cupcakes.
There's 4 eyes on this one. It's funny.
Yep. Again, you don't have to microwave your icing. I just think, like I said, this is a little bit easier to spread. Sometimes when I do cakes, I microwave it and just pour it over top. Because sometimes if it's really thick, you're trying to spread it, it just messes up everything underneath. Taylor did a pretty good job icing some of those also.
Yes. So she's gonna put them on the cupcakes and I'm gonna decorate them.
So what are we gonna do for Halloween, Miss Taylor?
Well, we probably making these.
Well, we're making the cupcakes, but who are we gonna share them with?
Our friends.
Our neighbors. We usually get together with all of our neighbors, do trick-or-treating in our neighborhood.
Yeah.
We hope you have fun plans. Sometimes people do that at church activities or community activities.
Yeah. Of course. I'm running out of eyes.
So we'll keep doing this and then we'll be right We'll be right back to show you what it looks like.
This side.
Here's some cool cupcake decorating going on.
Get out of there. I don't need you. And then I need you right here. So it's much
Ooh, we have some cool ones.
Yeah.
We didn't quite have enough eyeballs and stuff in the icing set, so we did use some of our other Halloween sprinkles, which looks really good. Here's a good combination one.
Yeah, I did that one.
Can't go wrong.
Well, can you show a really good combination one of mine?
Oh yeah, which one is your favorite? That one looks good.
This one.
Yeah, let's see. Ooh, some good decorating going on.
Mine's like a little mess, guys.
Okay.
But the good thing is we have a table.
When we know how to sweep it up, don't we? Sprinkles make a mess. Okay. Use them all up.
Can I look it? Since we're done?
Are you done? Sure. And then you guys, what are you going to tell everybody?
Later, bye.
Happy Halloween!
Happy Halloween.
Bye!
Scary Halloween. Scary Halloween.
Scary Halloween. Like and share, subscribe.